great to be out in the Highlands in Skewin today with the mobile library. It's a fantastic service going around the communities of Neath Port Talbot, from Glyncorwg down to Crumlin Burrows, across the borough, with a great range of books for those who can't get to the library so easily or who have accessibility problems. If you want to know where it is, when it's coming to you, the information's on our website, or you can call the driver Keith, who will be happy to help you with any books you're looking for. It also goes out into the schools and is a great service for those who find it more difficult to get to the libraries.
When borrowers come on, if it's the first time,
Yeah.
it will be simple registration, fill a card, bring some form of ID. So then they fill that in, I register them on the computer, and then they get their very own library card.
Excellent.
Which can be used in any Neath Port Talbot branch throughout the borough.
Right.
This side is all fiction, alphabetical order from authors right the way through. So we've got a vast range from sagas, war stories, men's adventure, not just men's but some women, like the adventure stories, horror stories, and recently I was asked for some Welsh books.
Right.
So I got in touch with the libraries. So I'm now carrying adult Welsh books. Here then we've got children's books.
Yeah.
We don't carry the stock that the branches can carry, but we do request service. So within 3 weeks' time we can turn books back around to them. So there's no need for them to go into branches. The schedule is online, so people will be able to find what streets and times that we're on it.